can't recommend a car for me. No one in this room is qualified to recommend a car for me. Why can't you guys recommend a car for me? What's the reason why? You know anything about me. You don't know what I'm driving now. Write this down, please. If you knew how they bought their last car, easier to sell them the what? Next car. What's in my hand? What kind of phone? What's over there on the desk? What is that? A MacBook. This is a 15. What did I have before the 15? What did I have before the 14? What am I going to get next? No, I'm not. I don't want to kill group text messages. Now I'm going to give you another secret, okay? Part of the reason why we want to get to the appraisal is because it makes it very, very easy to get a manager involved, because I go from the appraisal to where do I go next? Not quite yet, but who can I introduce them to after the appraisal? To the manager, okay?